If you are looking for the best car vacuum, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. HOTOR vacuum cleaner for car. In fact, a good car vacuum balances power, suction consistency, and portability so you can weave your way around a car's interior effortlessly anytime you need or want. The HOTOR 4th Gen car vacuum takes the top spot for the portability and reliability it offers when you need to clean the car quickly anytime, anywhere. The vacuum comes with a small but powerful motor capable of a 4.5 kPa suction level that will take care of most dust and small debris. Using the car's 12 volts plug, you can plug the vacuum in and use it anywhere. Number 2. Bissell 1782 car vacuum. Many people like to bring along their furry companions during their daily errands. While it may be nice to have a pet beside you during a drive, your car's interior may suffer from more hair and dirt. The Bissell 1782 Pet Hair Hand car vacuum is a multi-purpose sucking tool that sports a unique moving foot to help create a tighter seal for better suction. An included upholstery tool works on fabric interiors and furniture to remove troublesome pet hair. Best of all, the vacuum is cordless, so you can reach any space in the vehicle when combined with the telescoping extension wand for greater range. Number 3. GALSOAR 8000PA vacuum cleaner. But GALSOAR's handheld vacuum is powered by a 12 volts outlet and 14.8-foot cord, and it can reach small spaces thanks to its attachable soft, flexible hose and crevice nozzle, which provides a boost in suction, too. A particularly noteworthy feature, especially on a budget-friendly model like this, is the fact that the GALSOAR can clean up dry and wet messes, leaving your car free of dirt and spills. If you take advantage of its wet, dry capabilities, be sure to clean the reusable HEPA filter thoroughly after use to ensure its longevity. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER BDH1200FVAV car vacuum. SUVs present a unique challenge when cleaning since they have larger interiors and more space to cover. The main challenge with many car vacuums and SUV interiors is the cord. The BLACK+DECKER Flexi Automotive Vacuum takes a unique approach to vehicle vacuum design, featuring cyclonic suction often found on larger vacuums. This option creates a consistent and continuous air suction that is not affected by larger dust and debris. The included hose and pivoting nozzle make it easy to reach in between seats and into cracks. Number 5. ThisWorx Portable Car Vacuum. The ThisWorx Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner provides users with all the necessary tools to clean their vehicle's interior from top to bottom, with a 16-foot power cord to make it happen. Its flathead nozzle creates a small profile for cracks and under the seats. Its extension tube reaches deep under the seats. Finally, its brush head is perfect for getting clinging hairs and larger debris out of the seats and mats without needing a full-size vacuum. ThisWorx's model empties cleanly into the trash and comes with a filter cleaning brush.